Good morning, ma'am. Could you please suggest some important editorials to read today?
Yes, absolutely. There are two very important editorials in the Hindu newspaper today, which are very important for examination perspective. So come, let's have a look. Now, the first editorial is Donald Trump shakes up the global nuclear order, which is written by Mr. Rakesh Sood, and the editorial discusses how Donald Trump's statement about restarting the US nuclear testing has shaken the global nuclear order. For decades, nuclear weapons were controlled by NPT and CTBT never came into force because of countries like US, India, Pakistan did not ratify. Now, Trump accused China of secretly conducting nuclear tests, which is something new, and as suggested by the US, might resume its own. This raises fears of new global nuclear arms race, with Russia and China likely reacting with more modernization and new warheads design. Now, this article warns that such actions weaken the long-standing nuclear taboo, which has already been there, and the global norm of avoiding nuclear tests and increasing the risk of miscalculation. Now, let's talk about the UPSC relevance. It is very important for GS paper 2, which is international relations. Talks about impact of US-China tensions on global order, role of relevance of CTBT and NPT and nuclear governance and global power politics and security architecture. Then it is very important for GS paper 3, which is security, nuclear doctrines, deterrence and modernization, India's no first use policy and voluntary test moratorium. Then essay paper also, it is very important. So yes, then the second editorial is this one, the Tamil Nadu model of sub-state climate action. Now, Tamil Nadu's climate strategy is built on idea that effective climate action begins at the district and the local levels, not just at the state level. The state has created a detailed climate action plan, CAP, and coordinated by the Tamil Nadu's Green Climate Company, which is TNGCC, and to reduce emissions, expand renewable energy and build climate resilience. It is written by Ms. Supriya Sahu and Mr. Srinivas Krishnaswamy. And Tamil Nadu selected 4 pilot districts, which is Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Ramanthapuram and Virudhunagar, to prepare district level decarbonization plans. And now the topic covers a net zero pathway, pilot districts, then responsible factors, and then other schemes community focus. Now let's talk about the UPSC relevance. It is very important for GS paper 3, which is environment and climate change. It talks about state and district level climate governance, decarbonization strategies, role of subnational entities, emission reduction sectors, climate mitigation, climate adaptation, also evidence-based and data-driven policy formulation. Then it is again very important for GS paper 2, governance, bottom-up planning, decentralization policies, etc. And then again it is very important for GS paper 1 also, which is geography. So both these articles are very important. And if you want a deeper analysis of these articles, please do watch our DNA video. That is it for today. Thank you for watching.